coming in first place, and he was flying throughout the whole course with a time of 4 hours and 29 minutes and 26 seconds. From Germany, Felix Bach-Gramko.
Well, thank you to our Minister of Youth and Sports for handing out our bronze and gold medal, and a big thank you to Ali Sheikh, our Regional Director from Ironman, for handing out those medals. That's quite a tall step. Oh, show off.
See, he's not tired yet.
Yeah, if you can do a box jump at the end of an Ironman race, you've done well. Gold medal to Felix Bach-Gramko from Germany. Gold medal to Annabelle Davis from Great Britain. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give our champion. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to move on to our next awards, but first I'd like to call on our representatives from Eagle Sports Management who will be assisting us. I'm going to ask Inchi to join us back on stage. Kareem is already here. And we're going to move into our age group awards. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We're going to ask you to exit the stage the same way you came up.
You guys did great today.
We thank the Minister as well as our Regional Director for staying with us. In the women's race, the top three look like this. In third place, representing Egypt, please welcome Sharifa Salah Haldin Sabi.
In the men's division, coming in third place.
She was the first woman, the first Egyptian woman to complete an Ironman race. A popular champion, 3 hours, 15 minutes, 26 seconds. If you're from Egypt, make some noise for Khadija Hegazi. Thomas, you have to jump right to the top. Or you could use the steps. Okay, that's all right, that's all right. Thank you to the Minister for presenting the medal. Right, let's give our champions a big round of applause. Congratulations in the women's race, Khadija Hegazi. And the men's race, it is the overall champion.